In this question, there are two principles. The first principle talk about the freedom of speech and expression, and any law that imposes unreasonable restrictions on this freedom is unconstitutional. The second principle states that a restriction on this freedom would be considered reasonable if it is imposed in the interest of sovereignty and integrity of India, the security of the country, public order, or in relation to the contempt of court. In the facts, the government has passed a law which banned the media houses from reporting about any ongoing cases in the Supreme Court, and it further clarified that no article can be published in relation to an ongoing case in the Supreme Court without the approval of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. So Mr. Homer Simpson, who was an eminent journalist, he challenged this law. Now from the facts, it's clear that a complete ban by the government on the media houses from reporting, it's not a reasonable restriction. Had there been any guidelines such as delayed reporting or anything, still it could have been considered a complete ban altogether from reporting the cases would not be a reasonable restriction, because the public would not get to know what is being the decision of the cases. The people would not be able to get the information about the landmark cases which are being decided. So this is in no way in the interest of security of the or in the interest of general public. Hence, this is not a reasonable restriction, and anything which is unreasonable would be unconstitutional. So therefore, the law is unconstitutional as it imposes an unreasonable restriction on the freedom of speech and expression. Hence, option C would be the correct answer.